Hello children, we are starting with practice set 9.1. First question, length, breadth and height of a cuboid shaped box of medicine is 20 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. Find the surface area of vertical faces and total surface area of this box. For cuboid shaped box of medicine, length, breadth and height are given. To find surface area of vertical faces and total surface area of the box. Surface area of vertical faces of the box, twice length plus breadth into height. So substituting the values here, you will calculate, it comes to 640 square centimeter. Formula is important and calculations more important. Next, total surface area of the box. You know, twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Total surface area formula is twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Substituting the values here and simplifying here, you will get 1120 square centimeter. Don't forget to write the statement. Therefore, the surface area of the vertical faces and the total surface area of the box are 640 square centimeter and 1120 square centimeter respectively. Areas are given in square unit. Question 2. Total surface area of box of cuboid which shape is 500 square unit. Total surface area is given. Its breadth is and height is 6 unit and 5 unit respectively. Find the length of that box. For cuboid shaped box, total surface area of the box is by formula twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Substitute the value. Here total surface area is given as 500. Length is not given. Instead of length, L is given here. Please see. L is given here. So, simplify this. 500 divided by 2, it will be 250. 6L plus 5L, it will be 11L. Plus 6 5s are 30. Simplify this, 30 will come on this side. So 250 minus 30 equals to 11L. Therefore 11L equals to 220. L equals to 220 upon 11 equals to 20. So L equals to 20 units. Therefore the length of the box is 20 units. Side of cube is 4.5 centimeter. Find the surface area of all vertical faces and total surface area of cube. Here you see the area of vertical faces of cube is 4L square. Only the vertical faces is to be taken. And total surface area is taken as 6L square. So vertical surface area of cube equals to 4L square. 4 into 4.5. Simplify, it will come to 81 square centimeter. Total surface area of the cube equals to 6 times L square. So 6 into 4.5 whole square equals to, simplify it, you will get 121.5 square centimeter. Therefore, the surface area of all vertical faces and the total surface area of the cube are 81 square centimeter and 121.5 square centimeter respectively. Question 4. Total surface area of cube is given 5400 square centimeter. Find the surface area of all vertical faces of the cube. So total surface area is given. From that you will find the value of L, side. So total surface area of cube, you know formula, 6L square. Therefore 5400 equals to 6L square. Therefore L square equals to 900. Area of vertical faces of cube equals to 4L square. So 4 into L square. L square value you have calculated about 900 equals to 3600 square centimeter. So surface area of all vertical faces of cube is 3600 square centimeter. Question 5. Volume of cuboid is 34.50 cubic meter. Breadth and height of the cuboid are 1.5 meter and 1.15 meter respectively. Find its length. Volume of cuboid. area of base into height, that is length into breadth into height, or volume of cuboid directly you can remember, product of three sides. So length into breadth into height. So here simplify this, L into 1.5 into 1.15, therefore L equals to 34.50 upon 1.5 into 1.15. Remove the decimal point 12, 12, and here 1 is there, so one more 0 is added here. So 34,500 upon 15 into 115. 115 ones are 115, 300s are 300 upon 15 equals to 20. The length of the cuboid is 20 meter. Next question, what will be the volume of a cube having length of h 7.5 centimeter? Volume of cube is given as L cube. Therefore, 7.5 cube equals to 421.875. Approximately it equals to 421.88 cubic centimeter. Unit of volume is given in cubic centimeter. Therefore, the volume of the cube is 421.88 cubic centimeter. Next. Radius of base of a cylinder is 20 centimeter and its height is 13 centimeter. Find its curved surface area and total surface area. Here the value of pi is given 3.14. If any value of pi is given 22/7 or 3.14, we have to take for that problem same value only. If it is not given, you can take any other 2/7 or 3.14. But if it is given, we have to take the same value. Please take note. So curved surface area and the total surface area of the cylinder we have to find out. Curved surface area of cylinder equals to 2 pi RH. Curved surface area equals to 2 pi RH. Substitute the value here. Pi is taken as 3.14. Value of R and H also, and calculate, you will get 1632.8 square centimeter. Total surface area of cylinder equals to 2 pi R into R plus H. Substitute the values here. You will get 4144.8 square centimeter. Therefore, the curved surface area and the total surface area of the cylinder are 1632.8 square centimeter and 4144.8 square centimeter respectively. Next, question 8. Curved surface area of cylinder is 1980 centimeter square and radius of its base is 15 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. Here the value of pi is given 22/7. So we'll take 22/7 only. So curved surface area of cylinder equals to 2 pi RH. Substituting the value, here you can calculate H equals to 21. Therefore, the height of the cylinder is 21 centimeter. This much is sufficient for this exercise. In the next video, we are going to start with new exercise. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.